Also got a case of Heavy Metal by Firehawk. And don't know how many shots this is up front. Oh, wait a minute. It says up here. We got 19 shots, crackling tail to blue peony with glittering silver coconut, and with 4 rapid shot of red and silver to crackling. Very, very nice cake. Kind of the effect plays to the name Heavy Metal, because it's kind of like got a silver crackling effect, along with some pretty nice silver breaks, silver colored breaks to it. So you get 6 in a case, and I believe the case price came out to about, I want to say with the discount, around $54 or something like that. It's between $50 to $60, I know that. So it was less than $10 a cake, which is very, very nice, especially for this cake, which has a nice nice special effect to it. All right, we got Heavy Metal by Firehawk. Nice.